In July 1969, the world watched in awe as Apollo 11 touched down on the moon. This giant leap for humanity marked a pivotal moment in our history. But the journey wasn't over. We were eager to learn more about our celestial neighbor. A few months later, a new mission was ready. Apollo 12 would continue our exploration of the moon. The Apollo program was a testament to human ambition and ingenuity. It pushed the boundaries of what we thought was possible. The missions were fraught with danger, but the rewards were immeasurable. Each mission brought back valuable data. This data helped us understand more about the moon's formation and its relationship to Earth. The Apollo missions were more than just scientific endeavors, they were a symbol of hope. They showed that humanity could achieve anything it set its mind to. The Apollo program inspired generations to dream big. It showed us that with courage and determination, we can overcome any obstacle. Apollo 12 was set to explore a different region of the moon. This region was called the Ocean of Storms. This area is a vast, dark plain. It's visible from Earth with the naked eye. The crew of Apollo 12 consisted of 3 skilled astronauts: Commander Charles Pete Conrad, Command Module Pilot Richard Gordon, and Lunar Module Pilot Alan Bean. These brave men were about to embark on a journey that would test their courage and skill. Their mission was to collect lunar samples. They also needed to deploy several scientific instruments. This would help us learn more about the moon's environment. The world held its breath as Apollo 12 launched into the sky. Just 36 seconds after liftoff, disaster struck. A bolt of lightning hit Apollo 12. The spacecraft shook violently as the power flickered. Instruments went haywire, displaying confusing readings. The second strike, just 16 seconds later, knocked out the main power supply. Inside the spacecraft, alarms blared, adding to the chaos. The crew was in grave danger. The situation was dire. The crew had trained for countless scenarios, but nothing could have prepared them for this. The fate of the mission hung in the balance. A wrong decision could have led to catastrophic consequences. Section 4. A modern-day Sherlock Holmes. Back on Earth, a young flight controller named John Aaron watched the events unfold with growing concern. Aaron was known for his sharp mind and incredible memory of system schematics. He noticed a peculiar voltage reading. This reading jogged his memory. He remembered a similar issue from a previous test. Aaron's quick thinking and decisive action were about to save the day. He calmly instructed the crew to switch to a backup power system. This system was called the Signal Conditioning Equipment, or SCE. It was a system so obscure even the flight director wasn't familiar with it. Section 5. Continuing the mission. The crew, taken aback by the unfamiliar term, hesitated for a moment, but they trusted Aaron's judgment. Conrad flipped the switch. To everyone's relief, the instruments flickered back to life. Apollo 12 had dodged a bullet. The mission could continue. The calmness and quick thinking of John Aaron had saved the day. The crew, grateful for the second chance, continued their mission with renewed determination. They landed on the moon on November 19, 1969. Conrad and Bean spent 31 hours on the lunar surface. They explored the Ocean of Storms. They even visited the Surveyor 3 probe, which had landed on the moon 2 years earlier. Section 6. A testament to human ingenuity. The Apollo 12 lightning strike is a testament to the incredible skill and bravery of the astronauts and the teams on the ground. It reminds us that even in the face of danger, courage and ingenuity can prevail. The story of Apollo 12 is not just about exploring the moon, but about the unwavering spirit of exploration that drives humanity forward. It teaches us the importance of quick thinking. It also teaches us about staying calm under pressure. These are vital lessons for us all. As we continue to explore the cosmos, we carry with us the lessons learned from Apollo 12.